Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I might be covered in dust right now because I'm just out of work and I didn't really look before I left, but it doesn't matter. Today we're going to be starting the extraction of my Westie. We're getting it out of my grandfather's yard, bringing it to mine. Gonna start fixing it. I got some metal coming from CIP1. I got some metal at home already. I got a lot of stuff to do. It's raining today. It's raining tomorrow. Apparently there's a hurricane that I've not paid attention to that's happening around me. So we're gonna get cracking because I've got a wrecker coming tomorrow. Well, flatbed. Technically not a wrecker. Connecticut gives them wrecker plates still. We'll see. Let's go. I gotta get my obnoxious yellow raincoat on because it's raining and I don't want to get covered in rain. Alright guys, so here's the pile. Let's see where we left off. Right, no rockers. No dog legs. Yeah, good Jalowski windows. Nice interior. 8-ball shifter, you can't see because it's dark. Hold on. Cabinets, Yosemite yellow paint. Original green carpet throughout. There's that Baltic birch headliner. Obviously, it looks like some sort of registration. Sticker. A door card. Ah, yes. Okay then. Now that we've seen the pile, let me roll down one of the windows. And we're gonna get cracking. Well, I'm gonna attempt to roll down the window because I gotta push it. But looking at it, the wrecker guy might be able to whoop it. Alright guys, so I just talked to my wrecker guy. We decided not to pull it out. He'll should be able to swing it. He said if he needs anything, he'll call me, but he said he'll be able to pull it off. But you know, no engine, but I got an engine now. Oh, I've got one of those janky battery trays. Interesting. I saw one of those on Samba and someone said, oh, I don't know what that is. I don't either, but I got one. Notice the battery tray stood up. I wonder if it's for, because it's a deluxe with the auxiliary battery on the left. Who knows? But he'll pull it off. I'm pumped. So, I'm heading home now. This will be at my house sometime tomorrow. Cool. Alright guys, so I just got home from work. Car's still running because I'm rolling into the driveway now. And my wrecker man has done what was asked of him. Awesome. Oh yeah, this is going to be fun. Might need to move it though. I don't want it in front of that garage because the bug's there. Yes guys, it's here. It's rusty. It needs repair. This is what I love to do though, so it'll be fine. We're gonna pop open this door here. So I'm gonna just set you up somewhere. Prop you up there. You're gonna get a terrible angle. But I know what this door's gonna do. Let's show you what we got. This is the interior, and this is the first time you'll be seeing it, and I'll be seeing it from this angle in 2 years. This is the refrigerator, Dometic. Yeah, so this is the fridge. Oh no, I have to relaminate it. It's an actual fridge too, because it's a real deluxe camper. Oh, this opens. Just gonna get it. There we go. But there's stuff in here. It looks like another shift knob. This will be number 3. Yes, but no. Yes, it's a shift knob. No, it's not a Volkswagen. Get well card. Spark plugs. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean this because this is actually stainless, I believe. Whoa, not a fan of that sound. Oh, it must have actually, okay, it did start moving. It must have. You know, we're just gonna leave it alone. Now, you'll notice I'm actually standing on the floor. Okay, so I do have a gas tank. My buddy Mike gave me a gas tank because he's cleaning up shop. And I said, I don't know if I have one. But I do. Let's check in here. There's the water. Well, I'm sorry if this is shaky, but I would say I'm really excited, which I am, but I'm, you know. So this is interesting, because from most documentation, people say this is where the spare tire goes in a 74 camper. But my dad, who owned one, said his spare tire was back there. And this obviously doesn't look like you can put a spare tire in here, not even a space saver. So we'll see. My bus does have a silver socket though, for the factory supplied air pump. So intrigue is there. What do we got under here? That's an original bag. I can't remember what it's for, but it is original. Some propane equipment and accessories. This is important right here. This is important. The top track is kind of okay. As long as the top track's okay, I can pull off a repair. Bottom track doesn't need to be fine. I have a bottom track. As long as the top track is fine enough for me to see. Someone's been here. Those are booger welds, I think. Alright. I cannot open the hatch as I don't have a key. I can try and pick it. I love this color so much. Here we go. You know what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna pop the top. Let me do that real quick. Alright guys, this is gonna be the first time I'm opening the top on this bus. Now, I feel like I recall he said there was no struts. So we're gonna find out. He was right. Alright guys, so you've seen the top go up, you've seen the vehicle. First step, obviously, is going to be cleaning, because this thing is dirty. So, it's almost 8:30. This is going to be a tomorrow project. But my plan is to literally just get rid of all the junk, save the good stuff, start disassembling, because we got a lot of stuff that needs to go. We got mice stuff, paper stuff. You see that? That's the screen for the back window. That's cool. Have to get this open. I've read how this functions. I should be able to open it from the inside. I've placed another order just like an hour ago with Bus Depot, because I'm sitting here and I've got this coming, and I have this one, I think. I've got one of the sides coming because I already have it. I got a corner. I gotta order another corner. Dang it. So much money. Ordered the outer of that. Didn't even inspect the inside one. I got this, like I said. I have the sliding rail. I didn't order an outer rocker since it's basically a decoration piece. I can handle that one. But I don't have, I just had to order an inner rocker. It's really dark, hold on. So I ordered an inner rocker because I said, oh, if I don't fix this, I can't fix this. If I can't fix this, I can't fix that. And if I can't fix it, you can see it was originally Yosemite yellow underneath this nice olive drab. There's red down here, probably red oxide primer. I don't know what this black is. I thought it was like latex paint, but it might actually be like black oxide primer. Not black oxide, black. I saw the red, I'm getting confused. We're done for the night, I think. I don't want to clean right now. Really not on the list of things I want to do. Oh, it had an antenna topper. I wish I knew what it was. Put it back up. Alright guys, so that was the bus. You've seen it before, but it's in a new location now. It's actually at my house, and we're actually getting work done on it, so that's pretty exciting. You might notice right now in this clip, there's leaves on the ground, and it's because it's November, just about to be December, and that footage that you saw was from like July 10th. So it takes me a while to get the editing done, but I get it done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're ready for some more bus videos, because I got a lot of videos of this thing, because I got a lot of work to do on it. So I hope you're ready. And there's going to be a lot of tutorial stuff on this thing. So we're going back to the original style DubWerks videos, where there's going to be a lot of welding, a lot of grinding, and a little bit of body work. So until the next one, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you later. Take care.